Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In the kitchen today, we're going to be making some loaded baked potatoes, and I'm going to use some shrimps and some cheese. This interests you? Stay tuned for more.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and season my shrimp with about half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And guys, I'm so excited. It's my first time trying Old Bay. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead with about half a teaspoon of Old Bay. But you know, I can't leave out the Maggi. So still going to go in a little bit of Maggi, you know. Just issues with the Old Bay. Let's see how it turns out. But yeah. Season it up. I did add about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper as well, and just give that a good old mix. So in a pan, I've got about maybe 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm just going to go ahead now and crush some garlic in that butter. Then I'm just going to let that cook for about a minute. Yeah, mine does look a little bit burnt because, you know, my girl cooked it a little bit too long. But you know what? It's all good. So I'm just going to go ahead now and start adding my shrimp. I'm literally going to cook this for about a minute and a half on each side. And just let them do their thing. So after about a minute and a half, just flip them over and just give it about another minute or so. Once this is done, remove them from the pan. Make sure you turn your stove off. Don't leave it. Get your stuff burnt. But do not discard all those juices in the pot. I'm going to show you why later. We're just going to remove the shrimp and just put that aside whilst we get our potato ready. So the cheese that I'm going to be using for this, I've got some red Leicester, I've got some tickler, and I've got some cheddar. Yeah, I'm using the lighter version because, you know, you gotta watch them cholesterols. I've got 2 baked potato here, and guys, I did these in the microwave, but you can go ahead and do yours in the oven if you want. It's, for me, it's so much quicker done in the microwave, but you know, you do what you want to do. It's your kitchen, it's your potato, do what you gotta do. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scoop out all the potato out, majority of the potato out of the skin. And I'm going to do that for all of them. Then I'm going to put those in a bowl and crush them with some milk, butter, and I'm going to add the cheese in there, as you'll see in just about a few seconds. Whilst you're mashing your potato, you know, you have to kind of taste it, add a little bit of this, add a little bit of that, just to make sure it's not too dry. As you'll see that I added some stuff and then I had to go back and add some more because, you know what, I taste it, and, you know, do it according to your liking. So what am I what I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting up some of the shrimps, just make them into little miniature bite-sized pieces to go all out in the potato. Did you see I sneaked a little bit on there because you know it was so good? Yeah, so remember that pot? I'm just gonna scoop out all those garlic because as you can see they got a little bit burnt, but if yours is not burnt, go ahead and leave it in there, it adds more flavor. I'm just gonna add the shrimps back in the pot and I'm gonna put the potato in. I'm gonna mix it all up because you know we're not about to lose all that delicious goodness that you see in the bottom of the pot there. So I'm just gonna give it a good old mix, get all that flavor going through the potato, and I'm telling you, this way is like, oh my goodness, we waste nothing around here. No point in wasting it and leave that potato all bland. We don't do that. So I'm just adding a little bit of parsley at the moment, and I'm gonna add in as well a sprig of spring onion just to give it a little oniony taste, and I like spring onions or scallions if that's what you call it. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and just start adding the potato back into the skin. Once you've added your potato in the skin, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more cheese on top of the potato, and I'm gonna add the shrimp, add the rest of the shrimp. And you'll notice when I went to put the first shrimp on, I thought, nah, it was a little bit too big and chunky. So what I did was I kind of cut them down the middle to divide them in two. I mean, there's still quite a good amount of shrimp there, and yeah, but if you want to put the whole shrimp on your potato, as I said before, it's your potato, do what you want to do with it. But this is what I did. See, still a good size, and yeah, just put it on top of the potato. Once you've put the shrimp on top of the potato, just go ahead and sprinkle the rest of the cheese that you got on there. I should have said before, you know what, don't use all of the cheese in the potato. Do not use all the cheese in the potato. You heard me now. And once you put that cheese on there, just whack that in the oven for just about 10 minutes just to let that cheese melt. Before I put it in the oven, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it back with a little bit of parsley. I'm putting some paprika on top of it, and I'm also gonna cut a few sprigs of chives on there. Once you've done all this, as I said before, put it in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then you'll have this beautiful, cheesy, flavorful, juicy, loaded baked potato. And there you have it, guys, my loaded shrimp cheesy baked potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video for your girl. Don't forget also you can follow me on Instagram at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching.